Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we have a lot to talk about. We've got new coupons, new glitches, and run deals. So if you have already subscribed, hit that thumbs up and left a comment down in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and get into it. So first things first, I do want to apologize that this video is getting out so late in the day on Sunday, but unfortunately I took a little tumble, and while I am okay for the most part, I do have some pretty good bruises and I am sore. But I am pushing through and I am trying to get these videos up and out to you all as quickly as possible, so just please bear with me a little bit on that. Now, speaking of videos, before I decided to take a little face plant, I did get the new weekly ad preview up. We go over tons of deals in that video. We also talked about penny shopping at the Dollar Tree. Is it real and what you need to know? Also, the new clearance and penny list info video is up and ready to go for you. This week we do have storage totes, so make sure that you go and check that out. And in that video we also talked about channel memberships. I guess I didn't make it very clear in that video, but if you are subscribed to this channel, that is absolutely free. You do not have to sign up. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button. That is free and it's going to remain free. Memberships are just something extra that YouTube offers for those who want extra content. If you just want to remain subscribed, like I said in yesterday's video, nothing's changing as far as my regular content goes, but I will be offering some extra things for the members. So if you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button right down below this video, and if you want to join the memberships, you hit the join button. But enough about all of that, let's take a look at some deals. Here we received this buy two, get one free digital coupon on the TGI Fridays and the Coca-Cola 2 liters. The 2 liters are actually on sale this week, 3 for $6. So if you pick up 2 of the TGI Fridays and 3 of the 2 liters, you're going to pay $14.50 for all 5. Next up, with the Pure Leaf Teas on sale, 2 for $3.50. With a 1-off-2 digital coupon, you're going to pay $2.50 for 2. We also have the Chobani Yogurts on sale, 3 for $4 with the 1-off-5 digital coupon. So that's going to leave you paying $7 for 6. And I told you guys I was expecting to receive some DG store coupons for the candy. Now today we received a 2-off-9 on the Reese's products. So if you want to pick up the share packs, those are priced at $6.25 after the instant savings and the coupon. You're going to pay $9 for 2. Next up, this glitch is back again. We have a 50-cent DG cashback offer on the Cheez-Its. This is working on the 3-pack found in the dollar aisle for $1. So that's going to make your final price just 50 cents, and there's a limit of 5 on that offer. Next, we have an 8-off 40 DG store coupon on the Purina products. Good news, we do have some sales and digital coupons that we can stack with that offer, so we're going to talk about that a little later on. But I do want to point out on the Friskies, be careful what you clip to your account, because we do have a 1-off-1 digital coupon, but we also have a higher value DG cashback offer. Then we have a high value $4 coupon on the Kingsford charcoal. That's going to leave you paying $10, and we also received a 5-off-20 DG store coupon on the Rayovac batteries. Now we do have that $6.95 off 2 DG store coupon as well. Unfortunately, since both of those are DG store coupons, they will not stack and work together, so just be aware of that. Up next, we have a 3-off-15 DG store coupon on the All Snuggle, Purex, and Persil products. Again, you might want to be careful about what you're clipping to your accounts, because we do have some coupons as well as cashback offers, and some of the DG cashback offers are higher values. Next up, we have a 2-off-1 for the Suavitel. That's going to leave you paying $7, and we have a ton of awesome Gain and Tide laundry deals. Here we have the $15.95 Gain liquid or the flings. You're going to pay $11.40. We did receive a new 2-off-1 on the Gain laundry products priced at $7.50. We do have a $155 off 1 manufacturer coupon on the flings, the liquid, or the dryer sheets, so that would leave you paying $3.95. But then we also received this $150 off 1 DG store coupon on the Gain laundry products priced at $4.50. You can pick up the flings or the dryer sheets, and that's going to leave you paying $145 after both coupons. Next up, we have our Tide laundry products. If you want to pick up the large Tide Power Pods after both coupons, you're going to pay $14.90. Then we also received a 2-off 1 DG store coupon on the Tide products priced at $9.95. If you want to pick up the Power Pods, that's going to leave you paying $5.90 after both coupons. Then we also have these small Tide Power Pods after both coupons. You're going to pay $2.95. Then we also have a really good deal on the Tide and Downy Rinse and Refresh. After both coupons, you're going to pay $3.40. Definitely a stock up price. All right, next up, we're going to talk about paper products, and OMG, this is definitely the week to stock up on paper products. We have this 4 off 20 instant savings on our Scott brand products. We do have the 18 count on sale this week for $10, and we received a 2 off 2 digital coupon on the bath tissue. So here's a few options. We have the 18 pack. You're going to pay $14 for 2, or you can pick up 4 of the 12 packs. That's going to leave you paying $14 for 4. We also received a 2 off 2 on the paper towels, so you can pick up 3 and pay $15 for 3, or you can mix and match. Pick up 2 of the 12 packs and 2 of the 6-pack paper towels. That's going to leave you paying $16 for all 4. All right, next up, we have some healthcare deals. So here we have some cold medicine for $4.25 after the cash back. We also have a high value $3 coupon on the vitamins. So that's going to leave you paying $3.75 or $3.50. We also received a high value $2.50 off one on the Colgate mouthwash or the toothbrushes. Those start out at $5, so that's going to leave you paying $2.50. And we also received a $2.50 off one on the Colgate toothpaste. These start out at $3.60, so after the coupon, you're going to pay just $1.10. Next up, we have a couple of almost BOGO free deals with the Hello toothpaste and also on the Irish Spring body wash. But holy moly, this week is all about the Axe products. Here we have the body wash with a 1 off 1 DG store coupon and a 2 off 1 manufacturer coupon. That's going to leave you paying $2.50. We also received a 6 off 2 on the deodorants. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50 for 2, which is better than BOGO free. Or you can pick up 2 of the body sprays, use that 1 off 1 DG store coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $6 for 2, which again is better than BOGO free. Or you can mix and match, pick up 1 of each. After both coupons, you're going to pay $4.75 for 2, which is definitely better than BOGO free. Here's another BOGO free deal on the shampoo and conditioners. Pick up 2. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6 for 2. And then we also have some hairstyling gel for $5, so pick up 2. After the coupon, you're paying $4 for 2. And here's yet another BOGO free deal on the Vaseline lotions. You're going to pay $4 for 2, unless you can find the Vaseline lotion on clearance for $3.75. Then you're going to pay $3.50 for 2. Next up, with the soft soap hand soap with a 1 off 1 coupon, that's going to leave you paying $1.95. If you want to pick up the Irish Spring deodorants, that's going to leave you paying $1.75. Then we also received a 2 off 1 on the Schick and Skintimate razors. These start out at $6, so that's going to leave you paying just $4. Next up, we have a 2 off 1 on the Dove men's shampoos and conditioners. These went up in price. They're now $5.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.25. And we also received a 4 off 2 on the Dove women's shampoos and conditioners, so that's going to leave you paying $6 for 2. Next, we have a 2 off 1 on the Degree deodorants. These are priced at $4, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2. But this coupon is glitching and working on the 1.6 ounce deodorants. Those start out at $3.75, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.75, and you can choose from the men's or the women's. And last but certainly not least, we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon on the Dove dry sprays. This is glitching and working on the travel sized women's, priced at $2.85, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.70 for 2, or you can pick up the men's, priced at $2.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay 50 cents for 2. Final thoughts. I think this week is fantastic. We have a really good, well-rounded group of coupons to work with. We've got everything from personal care to paper to laundry, so the deals are going to be fantastic. But I do want to warn you, some of these products will fly off of the shelves, especially if you're like me, you live in a small town, so you only have a couple of DGs to work with. I'm definitely going to be dragging my broken tail to the store today to pick up some of these deals before they are gone. You guys let me know what you're up to today. Are you heading out to DG, or are you staying home? Are you going to be picking up any of the deals during the week, or are you saving them for Saturday? Let me know down in the comment section below, and of course, make sure that you stick around and stay tuned for even more crazy deals.